Hello and welcome. You tune it into Markets at Noon with me, Ankita Saxena, and with me is Savita. In the next 1 hour, we'll tell you what's transpiring in the market and what are the cues that will lead to an up move in the market. But for now, let's take stock of how the market is shaping up at this current juncture. Kavita, market has been very range bound. It's only the pockets that are really moving, very stock specific flow that is coming in. We are managing to hold on to those 24,800 levels, but it's very range bound, if you will.
Absolutely. And but look at the bank Nifty, that has turned into red now. In fact, even the broader markets are not really participating. We can see mid cap 100 also getting flat, and with marginal gains we can see the small cap index also trading. But then what's important is the bank Nifty is an expiry today, and we did touch a high of almost 24,879, but then yes, since then it's very range bound. But sectorally, definitely it's the IT pack that's the hero. Infosys up 4.5%, Wipro more than 2%, in fact 2.5% now. Look at Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, TCS, all of these counters up almost 1.5 to 2%. So IT is definitely leading the Nifty as well. But then having said that, autos definitely not in top gear today, or marginally down index wise. Look at PSU banking and even the private banking not doing great. As we can see already, the banks are almost flattish. In fact, even the market breadth is almost equal. We have 1342 advances and 1395 declines. So a very crucial level of 24,800 for the markets to hold. But then beyond that, the healthcare is doing good today, and in fact even defense pack, if you look at that, marginally down, but then yes, reality again 0.5% down. Metals very flat today. FMCG marginally up, with pharma almost 0.5% up. So the markets are trying to really hold on to a very crucial level, but then we'll have to see how it pans out. Like yesterday's trade also, Ankita, we saw in last half an hour the market just took a U-turn. But having said that, what's up for our viewers in terms of strategies and the market trajectory in the coming hours? We have Vinay Rajani with us, CMT Senior Technical and Derivative Analyst, HDFC Securities. Hi Vinay, afternoon and welcome to the show. So very crucial level to which market is trying to hold on to, 24,800. An immediate support according to you, or you see another level that can emerge as a very important support level for today's trade?
Yeah, so for today, 24,800 definitely is a very strong support, and 50 days EMA is placed around 24,790. So definitely we can take it 24,790 to 800 as a strong support for intraday trade. But overall, positionally, I can see 24,600 is a very strong support, which happens to be the 5th September swing low. So that is around 24,621 precisely. So we can take it as a positional stop loss 24,600, and for intraday 24,800 is a support. But yes, gradually we have been getting strength in the Nifty. Nifty is now placed above 10 and 10, 20 and 50 days EMA. But momentum somehow is missing. Broadly, we are into a range. We are facing, Nifty is facing resistance around 25,000 at the lower level. 24,600 is the support. So we are underperforming the most of the Asian markets, and despite the good positive cues, we are not able to get the momentum, the kind of momentum which is needed in this kind of cues. It is clearly missing. So waiting for the breakout to come. But till then, as we can see, some sectors are performing well. Outperforming sectors and stocks can be traded along with the appropriate stop losses. So across the board, buying is not there. But yes, selectively we can take a trade, and appropriate stop loss should also be placed in the trading beds.
Absolutely, Vinay. It's a stock pickers market, and there are a few pockets only that are perhaps moving, and we've got to be more selective about it. So, I mean, in this market, what would be your picks in that case? Are there any long calls coming in?
Yeah, definitely. So some of the counters are still keep on registering new 52-week and all-time highs. One of the stock is AB Capital, Aditya Birla Capital. So that is looking quite strong. It has been very resilient in the entire space, like Anand Rathi, and most of the stocks in this particular space have been doing good. So AB Capital can be traded long around 291. Stop loss can be kept at 286 for the trading. On the upside, I'm expecting a target of 300. The second pick I would take from the Adani Group. Adani Ports is looking quite strong. So a nice reversal sign on the short-term charts, and after correction, it is resuming its uptrend. So Adani Ports can be traded long around 1367. Stop loss I would recommend is around 1348. On the upside, I'm expecting a short-term target at 1400. So both are short-term trading calls with a 2 to 3 days time frame.
Right, so a buy call in AB Capital and Adani Ports. Target for AB Capital 300, stop loss 286. For Adani Ports, 1400, 1348 should be the stop loss. Thank you so much, Vinay, for taking time out and suggesting your picks to our viewers today. But